conversation about our surgical procedures. Anna, Anna, what's going on?
I don't know. I'm sleepy.
Didn't you get some sleep last night?
I did.
But you're still feeling tired? Okay, this could be a sign of sleep apnea. There are other important signs and symptoms, such as snoring, lack of concentration, falling asleep during conversations, or even driving, which can be very dangerous. Sleep apnea is a serious medical condition that can be addressed as it can result in major health risks. Please visit our Facebook and Google posts for more information and call us for your evaluation.